How's everybody doing out there on this football Sunday? I figured I'd make a different type of video today. Today is, check this out, today is Sunday, November the 25th. 70 degrees in sunny San Diego. Look at that. I am wearing shorts. Look at that. But yeah, look at this weather outside. Look at this. I figured I'd take you guys out to join me on my Sunday. But look at this weather outside. It's pretty nice, right? This neighborhood is called Mission Valley. It's a neighborhood in central San Diego. So I figure I'd take you guys with me. Couple things I have to do today. I'm gonna go wash my car right now because it's freaking dirty. I didn't wash it last week, so let's go ahead and just go do that. Who's your favorite team, by the way? Comment below who your favorite team is. My team is the Raiders. I know they freaking suck this year, and I'm pissed off, but at least they have those draft picks, and I kind of agree mostly what Gruden is doing. But let's go downstairs. Here's my car. Look at this nice collection of cars. This Porsche. You got this. This one's cool. You got these other cars here too. Anyways, time to wash my car. What do you guys think about this? You guys like Lincoln Park? Sounds different, right? There's this guy. Hold on. There's this guy on YouTube. It's called Ghost in the Machine. I believe that's it. He takes these Linkin Park songs and he remixes them, and they sound pretty freaking good. Listen to this. See how it sounds different? I like this part. Like this. Alright. Gotta go wash my car now. Look at this car right here. That is nice. I don't know if this guy works at the dealer, but he had a Nissan, not a Nissan. He had a Mercedes AMG GTR, and that thing was freaking badass, dude. I don't know what that, if you guys know what that is, what is it? Check this one out. Audi R8. Somebody in here has, which I've heard, has a Aventador, a Lambo Aventador. I don't know who has that. But here we go. Here's my shop. San Diego cell phone number. Here's a sign on the street. I don't know if you guys can see it. See it? But my shop is actually over here. Right over here, right by the Hooters entrance. So look at this. San Diego cell phone repair. Who is this? Do I know who they are? Look. There's a Hooters girl going to work. But I don't know who that. I've never talked to her before, but her name is Ariana. Anyway, it's time to wash my car. Look at that, you can see the dust all over it. Anyways, time to get cleaned up. Alright, got her all washed up. It's time to rinse it off. And the reason why I wash my car is because I don't want anybody to touch my car. I took it. Okay, so I've took it to this place down the street a few times, and they freaking scratched my freaking car because I didn't know that there's a certain way you're supposed to wash these types of cars. The paint on these cars, they're freaking delicate. And I didn't know how to wash my car before either. But look at this. Look how I'm gonna dry it. I'm gonna rinse it off and I'm gonna dry it. I'm gonna show you guys how. Look. Check how I wash my car. I use this. Watch this. Blow dry your car. See that? Blow it right off. Look at that, perfectly dried. Scratch free. Freaking car dry. Look at that. Look at that. You guys want to see what's under the hood? Look. It's perfect. Let me pop the hood. Pull up on this thing right here. There you go. It is about stock. It is 550 horsepower, W12 engine, twin turbo. There you go. But yeah, that's what I like. Like that right there. It goes down by itself. See that? Alright. But yeah, this is black on black. Black outside, black interior. What do you guys want to do next? Do you guys want to go cruise to the beach? I haven't been there in a few weeks. Actually, yeah, no, like maybe like a few weeks. Here we got San Diego Bay. Look at this, right here. Look, you can see it over here, all the way right here. And then we are going into Mission Beach right now. And then we'll go to PB, or Pacific Beach, how everybody outside of San Diego calls it. We call it PB. Look at this. I used to work here, dude. Tell you a little story here. I used to work here when I was 19 years old at the roller coaster right here. That was the funnest job I ever had, ever, and I still say that. I was 19 years old, and that's where I started talking to chicks for the first time. Not for the first time. Of course, I had girlfriends in high school and all, you know. I had 2 girlfriends in high school, but that is where, you know, you guys know what I mean, when you start hitting on chicks, I guess, like randomly. That's where I started. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to PB. PB is like where all the bars are at, and bars. It's the whole like night scene or day scene. I actually come here for what do you call that, Sunday fun day, and I'll show you where. All right, this is the PB bar scene. There's bars pretty much on this whole strip. You see a Sunday fun day. I have this, I don't even know what that is, a Jaguar in front of me. Here's one of the spots I go to. It's called Mavericks. Check this out. There's a cool bar right here called Water Bar. You got the view of the ocean right here. Water bar. This one's called PB Shore Club. What's up, dude? Alright. And then there's another place right here called Firehouse. Hi everyone, so I'm back at home. I stopped recording. I was driving around, so I stopped. I came back home, I ate, I started watching football and other like football things, but what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take you guys downstairs and show you guys around. There's multiple pools, there's lounges, but what I really think is cool is check out this movie theater that I'm gonna show you guys. But yeah, let's do it. Let's go down there. Check this out. Pool tables. All these TVs, they have, here's a touchscreen. They all have the NFL ticket on them. Any football game you want to watch, you just come down here and watch it. All of them. Look at this. Grills. Check this out. You got like a fire like pit thing. Actually, I live directly above this. Look at this. Let's see if this thing turns on. Look at that. Actually, at night it looks cool. You got some chick, you can bring them down here. Bring her down here. Yeah. Let's move on to the next one. Check this out. Here's another pool. I think they're cleaning the pool right now. They're cleaning all the windows. Look at that. Got these lounges. Got these random lounges everywhere. Look, barbecues. Grills. More barbecues. Look at this. More lounge. Let's go over here. Soda. I don't drink soda. Never really did. Look at this though. Now this is where it's at. Look at this. You ever seen a movie theater this nice? This you can watch a football too. Has an NFL ticket. Look. Turn the lights off. But yeah, you guys get the idea. Isn't that cool? You have a football party in here? Imagine that, huh? Let's keep it moving. Coffee. It's free too. All you have to do is just hit the button. this. I call this one the mafia room. All right, let's keep it going. You see all the lights turning on as I walk in? Yeah. All these TVs have cable, NFL ticket, everything. Look at this. This guy's cleaning the pool. At the cabanas. See that? Alright, let's keep it moving. I'm gonna go upstairs now. There's a lounge up there. A rooftop lounge. Check out this glass staircase. That's the street down below, but I'll show you this lounge. Okay, here's one of the rooftop lounges. They have grills. You have music up here. There's speakers everywhere, but I just didn't, not turning it on. Look at that. They're building new stuff there. This is all like a new neighborhood. TVs, another fire in the wall or fire pit, whatever you call it. But yeah, there's speakers everywhere in all the lounges. There's speakers in like the plants and all that. You control everything in there. Let's see where the game room. There's a game room over here. Here's the front. Here's another lounge with another kitchen. There's another pool. Look at that. Come outside. Another fire pit. Grill. All three pools, they look different. A lot of purple chairs and purple colors. That YouTube. And a lounge. Food. Look at this. I think that's cool. More TVs. More TVs. Why would you want to leave, right? Look, Netflix. All these games, they're all free. You don't pay quarters or nothing. The gym. It's a rock climbing wall. Look at that. So what'd you guys think? This place is a freaking panty dropper. You guys saw that. But thank you guys for watching. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for liking. You guys have any comments, just put them down below. Any questions, okay? Make sure you guys watch my other videos. See you guys. Peace.